For those of you that know me, you know I love my cars. And for those of you that don't know me, well, now you know I love my cars. And I like to protect the things I love. Especially because I know what it's like to be the victim of losing a car due to the negligence of somebody else. Because in 2008, my precious Acura Legend was destroyed when an inebriated driver ran a stop sign at a major intersection. And though I was clearly not at fault, I had to rely on witnesses to share what happened. And I never want to rely on a human to be a witness again. So in 2025, it's a no-brainer to have a dashcam. But what's the point of a dashcam if it has potato quality? Well, that's where the Vantru N4 Pro comes along. Because being a true 4K triple dashcam flagship, it has the specs to protect my Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 from the deranged Dunkin' coffee-fueled drivers here in the greater Boston area.
Where's the airport?
Now, the N4 Pro kit comes with two devices. The front device has a 4K camera that records the road, with a built-in interior camera that records the cabin at 1080p, which is the same resolution as the dedicated rear camera, meaning I'm protected from every angle. These crisp, high-definition images are possible thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Whether it's day or night, the three cameras provide clear, comprehensive coverage of the front, interior, and rear of the vehicle. This is perfect for rideshare drivers that want an additional layer of security for themselves and their passengers, and for parents that want to keep an eye on their little ones in the back to make sure they stay out of trouble. Now, when I was shopping for a dashcam, I was very specific on having one that can record at night, since that's usually when I do my driving. And that's exactly where the N4 Pro excels once again thanks to that Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Even in poorly lit environments like the old streets of Salem, Massachusetts, this sensor ensures recordings are clear and detailed, meaning it can capture all the adorable wildlife in all its cuteness, as well as the massive potholes that the city has been neglecting for over 3 years that are so deep they destroy suspensions. But most importantly, it can clearly identify license plates. This is possible due to Vantrue's technology called Plate Pix, which is a patented feature with a registered trademark. On busy roads, advanced sensor technology helps capture clear footage of surrounding vehicles making sudden lane changes or getting too close, which could pose potential dangers. Even in the rain, Plate Pix is able to show a clear shot of a license plate even if the vehicle is still moving. But what happens when the vehicle isn't moving and you're not even in it? Well, that's where the 4 parking modes come in handy to give you 24-hour protection. The first mode is buffered motion detection, which continuously records and temporarily stores footage while parked. So when motion or impact is detected, it automatically saves the crucial moments before and after the event to provide a complete picture. This ensures you capture vital content like a vehicle approaching or the initial cause of damage, offering comprehensive evidence for any incident. The second mode is collision detection, which activates the camera the microsecond it senses a collision. Something that would have saved me over $6,000 when my Infiniti was hit and run 3 different times while parked in 3 different locations. The third mode is low bitrate recording, which records continuously at a low bitrate to avoid filling up the SD card. This would be useful if you want continuous monitoring in case of minor incidents like a door ding, a light scrape from a passing car, or someone leaning on your car, but you don't expect a major collision that would trigger a G sensor. This is different from the fourth mode, low frame rate recording, which tunes down the frames saved per second to save on storage and power, essentially creating a time-lapse video of its surroundings. This allows you to review days of activity in a matter of minutes when you retrieve the footage. But when you're on the move again and want to record more than just an image, the N4 Pro has you covered, because this not only has a built-in GPS, but it also shows your speed and mileage. This means you can review precise route details of past trips through the accompanying app, while also monitoring your speed just in case you need to fight a ticket saying you are doing 69 in a 65. It not only comes in hand legally, but also adds concrete evidence to insurance claims. The mileage tracker is great for tracking your mileage for reimbursement or to help figure out what your fuel economy actually is. But let's talk more about that app, because it doesn't matter how good the hardware is if the software used to access it is from a 1980s calculator. Thankfully, this app is well optimized and super straightforward to use. It connects through Wi-Fi, which is dual band, so you can choose between 2.4 GHz or the much faster 5 GHz. This increased speed helps save time when downloading footage from the camera to your phone, so you don't have to manually pop out the SD card and figure out if your laptop even has an SD card slot. But what I want to figure out is what this thing looks like inside, so I tore it down to find out. And what a pleasant surprise. The first thing I notice is how well built and rugged the shell is. No cheap plastic to be found anywhere, which is good news because an automotive accessory should have automotive build quality. The second thing I noticed was just how simple it was to take apart. No proprietary screws, no adhesive holding things together, no need to be the greatest technician that's ever lived. Also, no need for the gooch collector, as the glass can easily be cleaned from the inside and out. 4 more screws, and the first thing to come out is the LCD, which is connected via a ribbon and easily replaceable, assuming you can find the part. Now we can remove the board, which houses the CMOS battery, the buttons, and the mic, because this does record sound. And as a technician, it's also reassuring to see the quality of the soldering, because I've seen cheaper dash cams come into my shop after they've failed due to poor soldering joints on critical connectors. I also appreciate that beefy heatsink that keeps this baby cool, because any chip driving a 4K camera is gonna heat up. Wi-Fi 10 is neatly routed through the chassis, and I've never had an issue connecting it to my phone, so that's a plus. But right here is where I stopped, because I didn't want to risk getting dust in the lens while taking apart the star of the show, which is of course that Sony Starvis 2 sensor. And surprisingly enough, due to that high-quality plastic, everything went back together without a single broken clip. You'll love to see it. Almost as much as you love to see that 4K picture quality when you plug it back in. Seriously, the quality is bananas. And that's the main thing I want you to take from this video. 4K HDR isn't just a flex. It's a level of detail and quality that can legitimately save you thousands of dollars in the event of an accident. Whether it's day or night, rain or sunshine, the N4 Pro's ability to clearly record license plates makes it invaluable when trying to prove a case. Take this clip for example. This Jeep's impatience nearly resulted in an accident, and my dashcam was able to record the event in complete detail. But even if it's just to preserve your reputation, this camera sees all. Like when this parked truck next to me beeped when the owner locked it, but the car turning in front of me thought I honked at them. And even though it doesn't matter, this video allowed me to clear my name and preserve my honor. So take that, random unobservant passenger. Now, with all that said, when it comes to buying a dashcam, whether you're just an average commuter that needs to record driving footage regularly, or you're a tech enthusiast like me that wants the very best image quality, the Vantru N4 Pro is where it's at. I personally couldn't be happier with this review unit, and I'm pumped to record my future road trips in all its 4K glory. And even though you can't get it for free like I did, you can get the next best thing, which is a whopping 10% off if you buy it using the link and discount code in the description. And I'd love to hear if you have any questions, so feel free to ask me in the comments below.
I'm not in drive.